So in this video, I'll be making some bookends. And what I'm going to use is these boards here. They're oak and they're from hardwood flooring. There were some pieces left over. So I'll start by cutting them up. Now I can glue these pieces together, and since they're tongue and groove, it'll be really easy. So on my base, I'm going to be making a sliding dovetail slot. So instead of routing it out, I'll just cut these and I set my blade at 30 degrees and then I'll glue them on. So I'm gluing, and all I have to do is watch this one side. These sides, the ends, I don't have to worry about because I can trim them down later. Here I have my base ready, and what I'm going to do is make some jaws similar to this. I will take this piece, I have 3 pieces glued up, and I'll cut it down and make a cut so it slides in the slot. Here I've made a little test piece that fits in the slot, and I like how it fits, and I'll transfer it onto the jaw and go ahead and cut it on the bandsaw. So now I'm going to make the handles for the jaws, and I'll just be using this threaded rod and some dowels. So now I can put the whole thing together. Well, I got my bookend finished and I'm really happy with it. I think it turned out really cool. It's a real woodworker's bookend with the dovetail and the sliding dovetail jaw. And if you want to make one, go to Google Images and type in bookends and you get some really neat ideas. So I hope we can see more of them today. I think others will post some. And thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.